baking in the sunset. My knees turned weak, my head was spinning round. An angel dressed in velvet. I tried to speak, but couldn't make a sound. The sun reflecting in her eyes as I was standing hypnotized. Her laughter when she turned around knocked me over to the ground.
Here they are selling the chicken ass. I was eating chicken ass before maybe 20 years. Chicken ass. Oh God. You know, the fat just like the river into my throat. It's like the waterfall. So my journey here started from a skewer of chicken ass. Zhijin ancient town is a multi-ethnic county. Miao, Yi, Bai, Han, etc. Due to the movement of population, I found here some of the same street food from my hometown where Miao and Bizka living there. As I'm interested in human landscape more than scenic area, so I didn't go to the world-famous Zhijin Castle Cave. I'm staying in county and looking for some flavor of living. Small amount of gambling is entertaining. As different minorities living here, so every ethnic group has their exclusive techniques, constitute the diversity of street food.
这是裸锅哟啊，感觉可以嘛？啊？飞出来的这种。那是啥子哦？吃的吗？
臭豆腐啊！
哦，臭豆腐，煎起吃哈。
有那个萝卜酱好吃。
74 historical sites in Zhijin. Walking on the commercial pedestrian street, you meet them by chance, just hiding somewhere humbly. Dwellings from Dynasty Qing is just beside a noodle restaurant. Temple of Wealth God from the beginning of Kangxi is still welcoming those people who want to offer a prayer to him. Seven ancient bridges crossed over here. The oldest one is Yuehua Qiao, built in 1661. "100 wells scattered in county. It's comforting that people are still using the natural resource for their routines. When I found a woman just took a sip of well water, I followed her, doing the same thing."
In small town, we don't have nightlife, but in small county, we have it.